In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fun and a magical storybook for kids using AI, just like this one. Now, creating kids' storybook is also a smart way to earn money. There are thousands of storybooks on Amazon KDP that generate a steady income. And with the help of AI, you'll be able to write the story and generate beautiful images with consistent characters, page after page. I'll also show you how you can design the pages of your storybook, add text and graphics, and once your book is ready, you can publish it on Amazon KDP and start earning from every sale. So make sure you watch the video till the end. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. To create a kid's storybook, we are going to do 4 steps. The first step is to create a story. Just click the link in the description and it'll take you to this tool. This tool helps you generate a complete story with consistent characters throughout your storybook. Once you're on this page, click on Create New Storybook Images. And here you can generate the characters and the images just by entering the title and the story. But since we don't have a story yet, let's see how we can create one. To generate the story, just click here and it'll take you to this page. Here you need to fill up these details. So first enter the title of your story. And if you haven't decided on the title, you can just enter a few words on how you want the story to be. Then fill out the remaining details. Finally enter the number of pages you want for the story. You can create up to 50 pages. I'm going to enter 15. Once you're done, click Create Content. And there we go. GravityWrite has generated a complete story for you in just a few seconds. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now we have successfully created an engaging story for the storybook. Next, we need to create some vibrant, eye-catching images to make it even more entertaining. So let's go to the next step, which is to generate images for the storybook. Now to generate the images, click on Go to Next Step, and it'll take you to the image generation tool that we saw earlier. And here you can see the title and the story of our book have been already pre-filled, so you don't need to enter them again. Now to generate the images, click Create Image Descriptions, and this will take you to a page where the tool will automatically create image descriptions for each scene of your story. If we scroll down, here you can see it has created the description for all the images. So let's use these descriptions to start creating the images. Before generating the images, we can also customize a few settings. For example, here you can see that we have different image styles. So go through these styles and pick the style you want. I'm going to choose the Disney Pixar style. Next, we have the number of images where you can set how many image variations you need for each page of the story. So you can select 2 here and it will give you 2 image variations for each page of the story. Once you're done, click on Generate All Images. Then click Confirm and Generate. You can see that the tool has generated the images for each scene in our story with 2 different variations. And you can see that the image looks good and the characters stay consistent throughout the story. Okay, so now we have successfully created the images for our story. Next, let's generate the image for the cover page of our storybook. And to do that, just click Generate Cover Page. Here enter the author name you like to show on the cover page. Then click on this button. And you can see that it has generated 2 different cover images. So just pick the one you like and download it by clicking here. You can also check out the storybook images that we have generated for each page. Then select and download them. Or if you want to download all the images at once, you can do that by clicking here. And if you open the file, you can see all the images along with their file names, which are in order, and for each shot there are 2 images. Now for each shot, just pick one image that you want. So I'm going to keep one image and delete the other one. Alright, now that we have generated the images and the cover page for our storybook, next let's go to the third step, which is to add the text to these images. Now this is where we take these images that we've generated from GravityWrite and add the text from the story that we generated before. So to add the text to the images, we are going to use a tool called Canva. So just click the link in the description and it will take you to this page. And with Canva, we can easily design the pages and add various elements to make the storybook look good. To add a text in the images, just click on Start Designing. Sign up with your Google account and you will be taken to this page. Now to add text to the images, just search for Storybook. Then click on Create Blank and you will get a blank page. First, we need to upload all the images we generated. To do that, go to Uploads, then drag and drop all the images like this. And once the images are uploaded, next, let's add the images to the canvas. First, we will start with the cover image. To do that, just drag the cover page image and drop it here like this. Now to make it fill the page, just right click on the image and then select Set Image as background. And it's done. Now we've added the cover image. To add the remaining images to our storybook, just click here and the image will be duplicated. Then drag and drop the first image here and it will be replaced. In the same way, you can add all the images. Okay, once you've added all the images, next let's add the text to the first page of our storybook. To do that, go to this tab where you have generated the story. Now copy the text of the first page. Then come back to Canva and paste it here. Now adjust the position of the text like this. If you want to change the font, just click here and select the font you want. Now we have successfully added the image and the text for the first page. Looks good, right? But we can make it look even more better by adding some graphic elements to it. And to do that, let's go to Elements and search for the element that suits your story. So I'm going to search for clouds, click on Graphics, and you will get different graphic elements to choose from. Just select the one you like, then drag and drop it on the page. Now adjust its position to fit well in the layout. And if you see here, the text is not highlighted. To make it highlight and look better, we can move the cloud behind the text to make it pop. To do that, just right click on the text, then go to Layer and click on Send to Back. As you can see, the text is now highlighted and it looks much better. So now we are done. This page looks super fun and the kids are definitely going to love it. In the same way, you can design the rest of the pages. Once you're done, you will have all the pages of your storybook ready. And it's looking great, right? If you want to download it as a PDF, you can do that too. Click on Share, click Download, then click here and select all pages. Now click Done, again click Download, and the book will be downloaded. But reading a storybook as a PDF can be boring, especially for kids. What if we convert this PDF into a fun, interactive flipbook just like this? It feels just like a real book when you turn the pages. So let's go to the last step, which is to convert these pages into a flipbook. And to do that, click on Share, then click on See All, scroll down, now click on Hazine Flipbooks, click Open, then click here and select the pages you want to include in the flipbook. I'll select all pages, then click Done and click Save. Now your design will be saved. Once it is done, here you will get a link to see the flipbook. Just click on it and it will take you to this Hazine dashboard. Then here you can see a pop-up that says the flipbook is generated in Hazine gets deleted after a week. So to avoid this, we have to log into Hazine. To do that, just click on Register and sign up with your Google account. Once you have signed up, your flipbook will be saved permanently. Now to give your flipbook that cool book-like effect, just go to Page Effect, click here and select the effect as Book. Now click Close and that's it. Your flipbook is ready. So let's check it out. Click here to turn the pages and you can see the book looks very beautiful and fun to read. If you want to share this flipbook with friends and family, just go to Share, copy this link and share it with your loved ones. And with the free version of Hazine, you can save up to 5 kids storybook for free. Okay, so this is how you can easily create an attractive kids storybook with consistent characters. So guys, if you're ready to make your own storybook, just click on this link and it'll take you to the storybook tool which we saw in the first step. You know, you can publish your book on Amazon KDP and start making money from it. So if you want to learn how to sell your book on Amazon, you can check out this video. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.